Hey everybody, I'm just going to do a quick video on how to check the float level on a BST40 carburetor. This could be, for just about most motorcycle carburetors, but this is the BST40 off the Suzuki DR650. And I was just going to do a quick video on that. This carburetor is sensitive to float level adjustments and being out of adjustment. So, you want to start with your carburetor. You have the bowl off already. Your float is pushed all the way in. The O-rings are all the way in and seated. Just make sure that's like that. And then you're just going to take the carburetor and tilt it at about a 45 degrees. You don't want to go too much because it could push too far down. So you basically just want to go, let this rest up against and go about 45 degrees there. And you can take your float level tool. Here I'll have the link in the description for this, but you have this at 14.7 millimeters. So you can see I have it set up there at 14.7, and it'll just go against the gasket surface, and you want to just touch the float bowl. So perfect. And check both sides. Perfect. So you don't want to press down on there or anything. You want to just touch it. So that is perfect there. If you did have to make an adjustment here, you can bend the tang right here. Just take you can just do it with just a finger, really. Just bend it upward or downward there, and that's how you can do the adjustment on it. But pretty easy to do the adjustment. It is just something on these carburetors that if it's off, it's gonna run weird and have all kinds of weird stalling issues. All right, that's it for checking the float level on the BST40. Pretty quick, easy video, but I just wanted to show you. So with the carburetor off, it's a pretty easy thing to do, especially if you have the tool. If not, you can do it with calipers, or you can try to eyeball it, but I recommend getting the tool and, just make it a little bit easier on yourself. But I do want to thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, just please give me a like. Also subscribe. We're going to be doing more DR650 content just about every other week. See you on the next one.